Hi everyone, now let us see our production line in the factory. Here we produce some solar 3 line all in one. It will use in fabric. Already finished. And now just follow me. Here you can see here is our packing. Our packing thickness is 7 mm, very thickness. And here is lithium battery. We give 5 years warranty. This is our battery. You can see have specification inside. Yeah. And here we just produce other solar light from 80 volts, 100 volts, 200 volts, 300 volts different. It will use for 8 meters, 10 meters, and 12 meters for the pump. And here we will see our warehouse. We make some warehouse of our product. And now you can follow me to see our whole bracket. Here is what we will shape for the figure of our stocks. And here is our bracket. This bracket is for lighting. You can see this bracket. It's very strong. And here is some alcohol and some arms. You can see. There is alcohol and some arms and some bracket for panel different. Yeah, here is just for our warehouse. And our packing is just natural. We will prevent your logos. And like this one, it is all-in-two solar energy line. Usually it will be used for some gardens. Our factory already have about over 10 years experience. We can support one-stop service like shipment, technical, and dialogue simulation, and installation of sales service, all the things. Also, we have a long warranty of our products, and we will give some guidelines to our clients who need that for building project or retail. We will give some advice. And here is just some tools. You can see we will use some tools for our products. And like my right hand, you can see there is for battery mode. Battery is the most important thing in all the solar energy products. So we have our machine to test this one. Now just follow me to see our machine about how we test our battery. Here you can see our battery all packed. It's very good. And we use BMS, means battery management system, to control our battery, and then it cannot be bad in the high temperature. Okay, here is our battery machine. It will test the battery capacity from the start to finish. Okay, now we already see our battery production line, battery engine line. We will test all this sheet. You can see it will voltage, fluency, capacity, power, all the things. We will test. We will use all new battery because battery is one of the most things in solar lighting and energy solar product. So we have to use it. And here, just the worker just use machine and use themselves to pack battery. And here is WI, mean working instruction. You can see. We will tell our workers how to do one by one, step by step. And now just follow me to see our showroom. Okay, our showroom is here. Let us have the last view. Here is some raw material, just we will assemble. The panel, you can see. Yeah, mono panel. And here is our showroom. You can see. We can put some popular products here, like some solar panel, and some inverter, and some solar camera there. And battery box. Here different battery box. This is camera. Yeah. Battery box with LED screen. You can see. Here is a screen. It will show how battery working like this one. And here is some symbols. Different symbols. That's the show here. Also, we will design some new products every 2 or 3 months. And here is our company. You can see Sungreat Energy Technology Company. You can search us on Google, in LinkedIn, in Facebook, in YouTube, and website, all the things. So if you need anything, just contact us. Welcome.